Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Farm Insight. Today we're diving into the world of citrus, the bright, refreshing limes and lemons that bring flavor and freshness to kitchens around the world. From the orchards of Mexico and California to high-tech juice factories, we'll follow their entire journey. From planting and harvesting to processing, packaging, and export. Limes and lemons thrive in warm, sunny climates with fertile, well-drained soil and consistent moisture. Regions like Mexico, Brazil, India, and the southern United States, especially California, Florida, and Arizona, offer the perfect balance of heat and humidity for citrus farming. The process starts with selecting high-quality seedlings. Farmers use grafted plants, combining a strong, disease-resistant rootstock with a superior fruit-bearing branch. This ensures trees that grow fast, yield more fruit, and resist pests and drought. Before planting lemon trees, farmers carefully prepare the soil, loosening it, removing weeds, and enriching it with nutrients. Then, they plant each young tree in well-spaced rows to ensure healthy growth. Once they're about 12 to 18 inches tall, they are transplanted to the orchard, spaced about 6 feet apart to allow air circulation and sunlight to reach every leaf. Modern farms rely heavily on drip irrigation systems, delivering water directly to the roots while minimizing waste. The water is filtered and enriched with nutrients, ensuring every drop counts. Farmers monitor soil moisture and pH, keeping it around 6.0 to 7.0, ideal for citrus growth. During the first 2 years, trees are carefully pruned to develop a strong canopy. Weeds are controlled, and the soil is fertilized with a mix of compost and organic nitrogen, helping the roots establish deep into the earth. By the 3rd year, the trees are mature enough to bear fruit, each capable of producing hundreds of limes or lemons every season. When the fruit ripens, the harvest begins. A moment that marks months of patience and care. Limes are delicate and must be hand-picked to avoid bruising their thin skin. Workers use gloves and small shears to cut each lime carefully from the branch, placing them into padded baskets. Harvesting too early leaves the fruit sour and underdeveloped, while waiting too long can cause the peel to lose its vibrant color. Lemons, however, can be harvested both manually and mechanically. In small orchards, workers still prefer hand-picking to maintain premium quality. But on large-scale farms in California and Arizona, machines like row harvesters and tree shakers are used to save time. Row harvesters use soft, vibrating rods that gently shake the lemons off the branches. The fruit falls onto conveyor belts, which sort and collect them in large bins. Tree shakers use hydraulic arms that grip the trunk and apply rhythmic vibrations, causing ripe lemons to fall onto wide catching nets spread below. Whether picked by hand or machine, every lemon and lime is handled with care to keep its natural waxy coating intact. key factor that preserves freshness during storage and transport. Once collected, the citrus fruits are transported to processing facilities. Here begins a complex and highly controlled process that ensures only the best fruit reaches consumers. First comes washing. Conveyor belts carry the fruit through a high-pressure water system fitted with rotating brushes that remove dust, soil, and natural wax. Some modern factories use ozone-treated or mildly chlorinated water to eliminate bacteria while keeping the fruit safe for consumption. After washing, the fruits are dried and polished with soft pads, giving them their signature shine. Then comes sorting, a combination of advanced technology and human expertise. Cameras and infrared scanners evaluate size, color, and surface quality. Skilled inspectors manually check for bruises or imperfections that machines might miss. Fruits that meet export standards are graded as premium, while smaller or slightly blemished ones are redirected for juice production. Even the fruit that fails cosmetic standards is reused. After sorting, the lemons are carefully packed and shipped worldwide for export. In juice factories, selected lemons and limes are pressed using hydraulic or centrifugal extractors. The process separates juice, pulp, and peel in one seamless operation. The juice is filtered and pasteurized at low temperatures to preserve vitamin C and its bright, tangy flavor. It's then poured into bottles or frozen into concentrate for export. Lemons are pressed to extract their juice. Which is then transferred to storage tanks to reach the standard flavor. The final stage of this process is bottling. This cold chain, from field to port to shelf, aroma, and taste all the way to your table. Beyond its refreshing flavor, citrus farming is an industry that supports millions of livelihoods worldwide. From small family orchards in Mexico to vast farms in California, the dedication of farmers ensures a steady supply of vitamin-rich fruit year after year. Each lime and lemon represents not just a product, but a partnership between nature and innovation. Centuries-old cultivation traditions, powered by modern agricultural technology. So the next time you add a slice of lemon to your tea or squeeze a lime over your favorite dish, remember the journey behind that single piece of fruit. From fertile groves bathed in sunlight, to skilled hands that harvest it, to advanced facilities that preserve its quality. It's more than just a fruit. It's a story of resilience, craftsmanship, and the global effort to bring a taste of sunshine to tables around the world. Sugar, a simple white crystal that sweetens our tea, coffee, and desserts, hides an extraordinary story. Behind every spoonful lies an incredible journey that begins in the warm, fertile fields of the southern United States and ends in high-tech factories where sugar is refined into its purest form. In this episode, we'll explore how sugar is made from sugarcane, one of the world's oldest cultivated crops. You'll see how American farmers in states like Louisiana, Florida, and Texas use science, machinery, and perseverance to produce millions of tons of sugar each year. Let's step into the heart of the cane fields. Sugarcane thrives in hot, humid climates with plenty of sunshine, which is why the majority of U.S. production happens in Louisiana and Florida. Each year, the planting season begins in early spring. Instead of using seeds, sugarcane is propagated by cutting mature stalks into segments about 12 to 18 inches long. Each piece contains several buds, the tiny growing points that will sprout into new plants. Before these canes reach the field, scientists and agricultural experts spend months researching the best varieties to plant. Within a few weeks, the first green shoots appear, marking the beginning of a new crop cycle. Each one-year cycle will transform these small sprouts into towering stalks more than 3 meters tall, storing valuable sugar inside. After planting, the sugarcane enters a long period of growth and maintenance. Farmers must carefully manage water, nutrients, and weed control to ensure healthy crops and high yields. Sugarcane is a water-intensive crop. Each plant needs nearly 2 inches of water per day during its active growth stages. In the past, farmers relied on flood irrigation, but today most farms have adopted modern drip irrigation systems. In some areas, farmers also use sprinkler systems which mimic rainfall and can easily be moved to different sections of the field. Regardless of the method, efficient irrigation is vital for achieving strong, fertilization plays a major role. Sugarcane requires nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to develop thick, juicy stems. Farmers use specialized machines that distribute liquid fertilizer evenly over hundreds of acres. By midsummer, the fields become vast green seas of sugarcane rustling gently in the wind. The sight is breathtaking, with thousands of acres moving as one, each stalk storing sweet juice for the coming harvest. After about a year of growth, the sugarcane reaches its full height, ready to be harvested. The stalks are thick and heavy, filled with sweet sap that must be extracted quickly after cutting. In the past, farmers burned the dry leaves before harvesting to make cutting easier. The fire removed unnecessary foliage, exposing the canes and allowing faster work. However, due to environmental concerns and modern equipment, this practice is now heavily restricted. Today's harvest is almost entirely mechanized. Modern sugarcane harvesters are engineering marvels. Each machine can cut up to 100 tons of cane per day. As they move through the field, spinning blades slice each stalk cleanly near the ground to capture the part richest in sugar. Internal fans remove the leaves, which are spread back across the soil as organic fertilizer. The clean cane stalks are then chopped into smaller pieces and conveyed into large hoppers. These harvesters work in perfect rhythm with transport trucks that follow beside them, collecting the chopped cane directly from the field. Once full, the trucks rush to the nearby sugar mills. Time is critical. Freshly cut sugarcane begins to lose sugar content after just a few hours. To maintain quality, the milling process begins the same day the cane is harvested. The trucks unload their cargo onto long conveyor belts, leading to a powerful washing system that removes soil dust and debris from the stalks. Once cleaned, the canes are chopped into small pieces and crushed under massive rollers. The pressure squeezes out a thick, greenish juice rich in natural sugar. This raw juice is collected in large tanks, while the fibrous leftover material called bagasse is set aside for reuse. Bagasse is far from waste. It serves as an important energy source for the factory fueling boilers that generate steam and electricity. The extracted juice still contains impurities, so it undergoes a clarification process. Lime is added to the juice, which causes unwanted solids to settle. The clarified liquid is then heated in large evaporators where water is gradually removed. Through several stages of evaporation, the liquid thickens into a golden syrup known as masacuite to form sugar crystals. Small grains of sugar are introduced into the concentrated syrup. These act as seeds, allowing larger crystals to grow as the mixture cools. The result is a dense mass containing both sugar crystals and molasses. The next step involves high-speed centrifuges machines that spin the mixture rapidly to separate the crystals from the syrup. The sugar collects on the sides while the darker molasses drains out. The separated sugar is then dried with hot air, cooled and screened for uniform size. At this stage, it's called raw sugar and has a light brown color, to achieve the pure white sugar we're familiar with. The raw crystals are refined further. They're dissolved in hot water at around 80 degrees Celsius, filtered through layers of sand, gravel, and activated carbon to remove color and remaining impurities. then crystallized again through careful cooling. The end result is the sparkling white sugar used in households, bakeries, and beverage industries. Automatic packaging lines fill seal and label bags or sacks of sugar with remarkable speed and precision. Each batch undergoes strict quality testing to ensure it meets standards for sweetness, color, and purity before being shipped to markets across the country. Behind every ton of sugar produced are thousands of people, farmers, machine operators, scientists, and engineers, each contributing their expertise and effort. Farmers work tirelessly under the sun to cultivate and care for the crops. Technicians monitor every machine in the mills. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay with us on more incredible journeys through the heart of modern agriculture.